lots of business become affected with pandemic. So when that time happened, I closed the shop. Maybe I will retire. I cannot do it anymore. Because this is my passion. We didn't use other things that we already used to other. Maybe I'm not that really money most of the time. Maybe if I'm too rich, I'm scared to go outside once a year. It's just material thing. And that cannot bring it where we go with.
Uh, so I still learning new things, so you are good for now. No more new tattoos you are learning, or you keep on learning how to do.
Yeah, what you mean is like still studying some designs. Yeah, because
designs.
tattoo is like no ending. You have to study and study and study because every time there's a new design come out, like new technique, like new ink. So it didn't end. So you have to learn the new things.
Oh, it's like so now you can do anything, right?
Mm.
Okay. Hmm. Maybe my friend will have a tattoo. Because me, I get scared actually. So I'm like,
But before you get ink, you have to take it maybe not twice, thrice, because it's lifetime. So
yeah.
you should think if you really like, or the design that you will do is,
But they are temporary ones, right?
yeah, you can buy online, like Magic Tattoo, it calls Magic Tattoo.
Okay.
And there's also henna, I think you know henna.
Yeah, and I know.
Yeah, it lasts maybe like a week.
Uh,
Uh,
so Henna, you don't need to use the needles.
no.
Yeah.
It's like
Drawing.
it's like drawing, and it will mark, and it will last a week before it fades.
Yeah, it fades. Okay. Maybe that one I will try once. Not a permanent one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
If you're not planning to get tattoos, so don't push yourself
Of
to.
course, yeah.
You might regret it.
Yeah, sometimes you like it to see it on someone, but on yourself,
Yeah.
it's something different.
Yeah, and you should put tattoo like something that have like related to you,
Yeah.
like what happened, like especially family member. The one that I'm going to put tomorrow, they are friends. They are 5 friends. 4 of his friend already have the names, but different design. Each of them, they have to put their name, 5 of them. But it depends on you how you will put it on your skin.
Yeah.
So he asked me to draw. He said, I will come back after 2 hours. And then when I show him the drawing, he said, oh yeah,
That's okay.
yeah, it's okay for him. So he already give down payment, and tomorrow he will go back to get the tattoo. Yeah.
That's so nice. On average, daily, you get like how many customers?
Like 2 or 3.
Every day?
Not every day. I told you sometimes
Yeah.
I have no client, but
Yeah, it's like other business.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have the same customers every day.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. But I guess the price is not expensive for you to rent?
No. The price of parent is good.
Oh, okay. That's nice. But sometimes when the rent used to be a big problem.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I experienced that before, like pandemic.
yeah.
I rent not this place, some other place.
Right. Especially in Manila.
Yeah, like plenty of not only tattoo, lots of business
Yeah.
become affected with pandemic. So when that time happened, I closed the shop because people afraid to go outside.
Yeah. All right. So, when you think you will retire, you still have many more years to do this.
I think so. But maybe I will return if I cannot do it anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is my passion.
Right.
Yeah.
Did you teach maybe one of your
Yeah, when
students?
I'm still in Manila, I have shop there. I have like 3 apprentices. Now
Uh,
they have their own shop already.
what about your family members? They are not interested. Did you teach them?
Like my son, he's in different path. He, he study like
Province?
no, he's working now. He study like seaman, seafarer. Yeah.
So he's not interested.
Actually, he's not interested to do tattoo, but
Yeah.
he's interested with tattoo. I already put him tattoo on his arm and he's still asking to have more. But I'm the one who stopping him. Not too fast. Just think of it. Maybe next time you want another design, but you have no place to put
Yeah,
anymore.
yeah. Because sometimes you may get excited to put
Yeah.
more, and one day you might have a very important one, but you don't have.
Yeah, no skin to put tattoo anymore.
The whole body is covered.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lots of people like that. They just put tattoo, even no meaning to them.
Yeah.
And then sometimes they regret, oh, I hope I didn't put it here on this part because now I'm planning to put this one, but it's
I
harder.
can remove it.
You can, but you have to pay for laser and it's expensive and sometimes
Can leave the
scars.
scars.
Yeah. So,
But it is many people actually, maybe you will tell me, many people get scared because they think tattoos can cause cancer and several other diseases.
yeah.
So is that true or
Cancer, I don't think so. Like, maybe like allergies or if you're not hygienic to yourself. Like, before we start tattoo and after we finish the tattoo, we will tell them what to do, how to take care of their tattoo. But because what we using, all, all, all things that we use is new.
yeah?
And then after that, we will dispose it. Even your sibling, even your husband and wife, we cannot use the same needle,
Yeah.
same ink
Okay.
to one another because you didn't know, like the husband or the wife have hepatitis that they didn't know. Both of them will be infected. So we didn't use other things that we already used to other.
Okay. So okay, that's better. If maybe after each customer you throw.
Yeah, sometimes, oh, you want to keep the needle as a souvenir, especially when it's their first tattoo. Sometimes yeah, I will keep it. Sometimes, oh, kuya, just throw it on the garbage.
Uh, okay, so there is no risk associated with it.
I don't think so because, yeah, as I told you, all the things that we use is single use and we tell them how to take care of their tattoo. Even the medicine, we ask them to put medicine on their tattoo.
Yeah. Then that's nice because many people fear to put tattoo.
Yeah.
Because I think it's-
Yeah. I experienced, there's a client, he's so afraid before we start. But after I finish the tattoo, after 2 days, he go back here to have another one.
Okay.
Plenty, I encounter like that.
But there are some which are painful, the others which are less painful.
Actually, depends on the person. There's a person that have good tolerance in pain. There also person that when you look at the person, looks like tough, looks like bodybuilder.
But
But once you start, like shouting like, I don't know how to explain. So it depends on the tolerance of the person.
Oh, yeah. That's true. Because mostly I used to see people going to hospital. It's hard when you want to inject them.
Yeah.
It's more complicated.
Mhm.
Yeah, okay. Um, but you said you are alone here or you have like a co-worker
I don't know. I'm
alone?
alone here, but most of the time I have friends to visit here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So is it easy to learn? It's something I can learn to do or it's hard? Like, can you teach me that might be to do a tattoo? Simple one. Is it easy or?
It depends. If your heart is like in art, maybe it's easier to learn, but it's also like even you're an already artist in some like you're a
Other
painter,
things? Yeah.
but you're afraid to blood.
Mhm.
You get like if you see person get hurt, you
Yeah.
cannot take it, so you cannot become like a tattoo artist.
Yeah. I know. Looks like painful. But it's always the needle, so there's one who can use like there is electrical one.
Electric.
You have electrical one?
What we using like this? I will show it to you. One of my machine. Nowadays, before we using like have cord direct to electricity, but nowadays we using battery. So this is the actual machine, and this is the battery. You will just charge it.
Right.
Yeah, and then you just put the cartridge needle here. This one, like that, it's already working. And it's quiet. Even it's black brown out, like you already start the tattoo.
You feel the pain.
Yeah, but you can still finish the tattoo even there's no electricity
Yeah.
because we're
it's
using
bad.
battery.
Yeah. All right. So okay. So this time you don't need a needle, right?
Yeah, the needle is like this. I have here just for to test the machine. First time. Yeah, already told it. Yeah, because if I open one of the needle,
No needs.
at least
Okay, so yeah. Do you think something you can encourage someone to do or
like tattoo,
Yeah.
tattooing. Yeah, because it's also can give you income,
yeah.
like in a good way. Uh, yeah, like before, there's a person that asked me if he become like my apprentice, but that time I don't need apprentice because I already have like other
Yeah.
artists. So I just told him, you look for
Another one.
other shop because I already have like 3 person that also working on my shop.
Right. Okay. So tell me, what do you think? Like how is life generally?
It's good. Like like my job, my work. You can meet here lots of kind of person.
Yeah.
There's a good, there's a bad. Uh, you have to know how to talk. You have to know how to deal with them. in a good way. Like, if you treat them good, they also treat you good. Even
Yeah.
I encounter even they are cocky. I just let them because
Yeah. Of course, we are different.
yeah, I'm here to work, not to argue or to have enemy.
Exactly. When you work with the customers, that's what happens. You meet with different
Yeah,
people,
but
different personalities.
yeah, most of the time they are good because they know I have the needle. If you are cocky, let's see how tough you are. So I'm just joking.
Yeah, I know. Alright. So, one question for you. So, so are you happy with your life?
What?
Are you happy with
Of
your life?
course, of course. You know why? This is my passion. Art, tattooing. I think one of the best work that you can get is the one that you love to do and you earn with it.
Yeah.
So I love my work and I'm happy with it.
So you used to have anything else in life?
Yeah, just to be healthy. Even my family is good health.
Yeah. Why not belongings? Why not a lot of money?
Money, we need money. But like, because I'm working, so I earn. But maybe I'm not that greedy in money. Like, I am easy to content. If I already have, like, I always thank God because He gave me, like, my needings. I can pay, like, my debt. Not debt, but my obligation.
Yeah.
Electricity here, water, even to my house.
So
Simple life is good.
Yeah.
Because if you're sometimes goes on my mind, maybe if I'm too rich, I'm scared to go outside, maybe because I will normal. You have more than three. That's enough.
That's true. Okay, so what's your advice to the people who are not content with life?
Be contented because what's here is just material thing, and after that, cannot bring it where we're going. So be contented.
Because many people in having their own money.
Yeah, that's what people is like that. I don't know. That's life.
So, what's your advice? Or what's your advice to your fellow artists?
Yes.
What should they pay attention to? What should
Yeah. Just do their best and be friendly with other artists and to your client. You give them good art, so everybody happy. They will pay, you happy, and they get a good tattoo. They also happy. Just do your best.
That's so cool. So, maybe to the viewers, those once the video will go out, we also share it with you. I believe some people around they might see it. So, just one word to the customers or to the people who want to do tattoo and if they are
I,
yeah.
if you want to have tattoo, just go here in Heritage Homes. The name of my shop is Victor Maligaya Tattoo Shop and Body Piercing. You can find it in Google Map.
Alright. Is there maybe any contact phone number?
My number is 0915-75-30308. Alright.
I think we are going to the cause of our interview. So, yeah. I would like to thank you very much for your time. I know you were busy probably, but you let us in.
Yeah, because you approached me good, so I also...
Alright. So, thank you very much for your time. And we wish you good luck.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, coach.